I think I have internet issue. That's why I'm not able to make it live. So I have started recording. So today, Sir Sajjad will Sajjad have also internet issue. Then we will continue interactive reading today, especially for IELTS. So actually, it's giving run error or something. I'm continuously facing this. When I try to make live stream, it give me a run error, RPM something. Sir Mohammed Fiaz.
सर मुझे ये बताएं कि आप काइंडली न्यू स्ट्रीम की बना रहे हैं या ओल्ड स्ट्रीम की के साथ जा रहे हैं?
जो अभी स्ट्रीम न्यू जो इससे ऑप्शन आता है इसी में ही से वही जो है ना मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ।
अच्छा, इसमें सर होता ये है कि पहले स्ट्रीम की ना लगी होती है जो प्रीवियस सेशन की होती है ना, उसको रिमूव करके न्यू क्रिएट की हर बार क्रिया करें ना, तो मेरे ख्याल में इशू फिक्स हो जाता है। पहले मेरे साथ भी ऐसा ही होता था।
मतलब कि मैं जहाँ से इसे यहाँ से लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग लगाता हूँ ना, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पे लाइव स्ट्रीम डायरेक्ट करता हूँ तो वो ही कंप्लीट ही नहीं होता। कस्टम लाइव
अच्छा,
स्ट्रीम।
मतलब यहाँ से कस्टम कस्टम स्ट्रीम से जहाँ से आप ये सारा डेटा यहाँ पे पुट करते हैं
हम्म।
और उसको सेव करते हैं, वहीं पे एरर आ रहा है आपके पास?
हाँ, वो डेटा का ऑप्शन ही नहीं दे रहा। वंस वो डेटा का ऑप्शन दे तो फिर तो ठीक है, मगर ये कंप्लीटली वो डेटा लेने से पहले ही एरर दे रहा है।
नहीं, वो जो डेटा आप फिल करते हैं ना सर, और यूट्यूब से जो आप स्ट्रीम की उठाते हैं,
हम्म।
यूट्यूब पे एक ऑप्शन आता है स्ट्रीम की का। आपने उसको रीसेट नहीं करना।
वो तो मैं समझ गया। वो तो
हाँ,
वो
लेकिन
तो
अगर
बात।
वहां से आपने न्यू उठाई है तो वो मसला तो नहीं करना चाहिए यहाँ पे इसको।
मतलब आप मैं वो कह रहा हूँ, मैं जैसे ही इसको लाइव कर रहा हूँ ना, तो ये कंप्लीट ऑप्शन ही नहीं दे रहा की लेने के लिए, वहां वहीं पे एरर दे रहा है।
अच्छा, सही सही सही। बस ये फिर आपकी तरफ को इंटरनेट का ही इशू है, अदरवाइज ऐसा होता तो नहीं है।
हाँ, मसला यही है।
चले कोई नहीं, ये भी बेस्ट है सर। बस फिर रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दें।
जी सर, मैंने रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर ली। So, give me- continue. Let me share my screen. So in the meantime, if anyone have question regarding Duolingo, you can ask. Otherwise, today we will practice on interactive reading. So if anyone wants to do practice for any other type of question type, then we will do. Otherwise, we will focus on interactive reading today. So anyone from all of you know about what is interactive reading and what are the some tips that we have to uh, keep in mind while solving this? Anyone? Okay, usually this in your practice test, it may be appear one time, but in actual when you appear for actual exam or DET test, it may be appear two times. So usually in actual test it appear two times, and again here is lot of some stages I will define while we do practice. Okay. First of all, the thing that is suggested to read thoroughly over all the passage. Once you read your mind is able to understand the what context of the passage. Then you have to solve one by one. And then also the key point here, you have to understand the last sentence of this, means last words of the sentence, which this word will always support these words. Okay. Okay, यहाँ पे भी ये इस So these are the some tips while you have to solve this type question type. And uh, is it my voice is clear to everyone? Yes, sir.
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर, बट मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि इसके बजाय कि हम पूरा सेंटेंस पढ़ें ताकि हमें जो है ना कॉन्टेक्स्ट का पता चले कि एक्चुअल कंटेंट है क्या।
Mm-hmm.
एक दो वर्ड से सर कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये मतलब कि हमारा वर्ड यहाँ पे फिट हो रहा है।
Okay, ma'am. I will answer this question. And ma'am,
ओके सर।
Eva, Arshad.
Assalamu alaikum, sir. Sir, this is my first day here to attend this lecture. And sir, I want to know about the criteria, about the marks of DET. And because I want to apply for the scholarship for PhD.
Okay.
And can you please guide me about that?
Okay, sure, ma'am. After this practice question, I will guide you all about what is Duolingo and how you can appear and prepare for the Duolingo. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, the question that sir asked, that why we have to read complete sentence. As I earlier mentioned, we have to read complete passage. Once we read complete passage, then we read one by one. For here, one by one to understand what actually the answer may be. So the best thing, and then extra tip is to always once you read from here to here, then you have to read last word, two words that will also help you. So again, it is all about practice. Once you become confident, then you will utilize these strategies. But let's do the practice first. Then we see the what are the mistakes. The space. Okay. I am going to read it quickly. Then we will do practice. The Space Explorer carefully prepared for the mission, ensuring every part of the spacecraft was imperfect. With excitement, she soared into the unknown, leaving Earth behind. As she navigated among the stars, she both awe and fear. After several days, she discovered a distant planet with unique dishes. However, the planet's atmosphere was too harsh, forcing her to remain inside the spacecraft. Despite the challenge, she eagerly data. The journey taught her much about the mysteries and the endangered universe. To the Earth, she reflected on miracles she witnessed and knowledge she had gained. So this is all about the spacecraft and exploration of galaxies or some universe, other planets. So let's do first one. Again, the Space Explorer carefully prepared for the mission, ensuring every part of the spacecraft was in perfect. What will be the answer? Condition, movement, surface, fabric. And I also mention here two from four of these best choice, two may be out totally irrelevant and two would be most relevant. So you have to understand what would be the two irrelevant and what one or two will be most relevant. In perfect condition, every part
Yes,
of it.
sir.
Okay.
यस सर, कंडीशन।
Okay. The second one is with excitement, she soared into the unknown, leaving Earth behind. As she navigated among the stars, she digested both awe and fear. She both felt, acted, held, seen. She digested both awe and fear. Anyone?
शी एक्टेड।
No. Okay, we are doing acted, but in my if I would go with felt, but let's do it. Let's learn from mistakes. Yeah. The third one, after several days, she discovered a distant planet with unique what? Mechanism, substance, future components. Distant planet with unique mechanism.
Substance.
Okay. Can we go with substance?
यूनिक कंपोनेंट सर लग रहा है.
Planet. It's planet don't have components. If we talk about aircraft, maybe there would be components.
Okay.
Okay, the third one, despite the challenge, she eagerly dishes data. Last question is data. Dispersed, manufactured, computed, collected.
Collected.
All right. And the fifth one, the journey taught her much about mysteries, the universe. Mysteries of what you suggest?
सर
Yes, sir.
ऑफ भी लग रहा है, बाय भी लग रहा है, फिर ऑफ सही रहेगा.
Okay, okay, we will go with off. Then to earth she reflected on. Okay, to earth. The word is to earth only. Mysteries of universe that dash related to earth. Related. Okay. Can we go with relating?
जी सर, रिटर्निंग या
She reflected on the miracles. No. If we look on the next past sentence, the journey taught her much about mysteries of the universe and relating to earth. She reflected, okay, returning to earth, and she reflected, no. Yeah. No. What you suggest? Can we go with returning? Then we will see that why we made this. But okay, I am going with. And the last one, she reflected on the miracles she did witnessed and knowledge she had. Actually, we are talking here, but next time we will do with time frame. Then, what you suggest? With
Haze.
she is witnessed. She has witnessed. Has or is? Anyone?
Haze.
Okay.
She has आएगा sir.
Okay. So let's see. Yeah, there is another part. So in this part, we have to read from here to here. Okay. As we already read this complete paragraph, now we have to read from this. So anyone can read this.
Okay, sir, me. Can I
Okay.
try?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
So, the journey taught her much about the mysteries of the universe. Returning to Earth, she reflected on the miracle she had witnessed and the knowledge she had gained.
Okay. And
Each piece of data she collected would contribute to humanity's understanding of the cosmos and as she touched down back on earth, her heart swelled with pride.
all right. So once you read this, you will get the idea of this, what will be filled here. So if we read, read from these four options, then we will fill which one is more relatable to these ideas. Back on Earth, her family and friends eagerly awaited her return, ready to celebrate her success. No. She wondered if future mission would involve traveling even more distant galaxies. Ever since she was a child, she had a dream of flying above the clouds and playing among the stars. Each piece of data culture. She knew the mission would inspire future generations in understanding.
Sir,
Return.
I think she knew this mission would inspire future generation of space explorers.
Okay, so yes, we will go with this because if we read this last sentence, why data, the word data is here used. Data is data she collected would contribute humanity.
Exactly.
Now, for this, especially for this, you have to select particularly question of this, not too long, not too short. So the again, this is what we say in IELTS: skimming and escape, skimming and escaping. Okay. So first of all, we have to read this question. What did she space? What did the space explorer feel as she navigated among the stars? So if we pick out some words, space explorer, and then she navigated among the stars. So these are the words that will help to see the answer.
Yes, sir. In third line, as she navigated among the stars, she felt both awe and fear.
Okay. So the actual answer would be she failed. Yeah. So if you select too much, that would also reduce your mark. If you select too short, that will also reduce your marks. You have to give very accurate answer about this question. Okay. Why was the space explorer forced to remain inside the spacecraft? However, spiritually. Why was the space explorer forced to remain inside the spacecraft?
Because the planet's atmosphere was too harsh.
Where it is.
In
Okay.
same line, sir.
However,
However, the planet's
from here, the planet atmosphere was too hard. Okay, can we go with this? Okay. And then select the idea that is expressed in the passage. So if we have I completely first we as I mentioned, if we read this completely this passage, then we will able to give other question type like this easily. Once you have idea about the whole context of the your paragraph, then you don't need to read it again and again and again. So the best practice is once you try to do solve this type of question, first read the whole paragraph, then you will be able to answer all the questions quickly. So in actual exam, this question type may be appear 2 times. So now, which one be the best idea that relate to this paragraph? No, the first one is no. This was exploration was challenging but rewarding. No.
sir, second one.
Valuable discovery about universe. Okay. The planet explorer discovered was suitable human habitation, which was an exciting finding feature of colonization. Our mission was solely focused. Okay. Last one, conclusion. What you say at training for a space mission, life and distant planet, understand the spacecraft experience of space mission. Can we go with last one? Okay. Training for a space mission, no, it is clearly understood. Life on the distant planet, no, this is not about life. Understanding the spacecraft mechanics, we are not talking about a spacecraft, but the experience of the space mission, that would be most relevant to the context. Okay, let's see why. The, here the answer is felt it, not acted. She failed, not acted. If we
Okay.
talk, okay, if we talk about have or fear, these are the things that can be felt. Okay. If we see explanation, you can also see here explanation. The correct word is failed. Acted refer to talking action performing which is not suitable describing the experience of emotions. Held, seen, okay. We understood. Then substances. Okay. Futures, unique futures. Unique futures. Why substance? So the third one is unique futures, not substance. We get distracted from here, but if we see here, distinct planet with unique futures. Does it make sense?
Yes, exactly. Yes, sir. Why?
Okay.
Because everything has some sort of features.
Yes, exactly. So the last one had. Why had? Because if we see here witness and the knowledge she had gained
Yeah,
and
exactly.
witnessed, she had witnessed. Okay. So that's why I told you, all of you, to set this one. We think that maybe returning, but actually is relating, but actually is returning. So that is also, and this is also right. She know the mission would inspire future generation of space. Yes. Have and fear. Only the thing. Again, as I mentioned earlier, you have to give accurate answer here, not too much or no or too short. So the question has what she failed, both have and fear.
Sir, I have a question. How can we get a accurate answer?
With practice,
Sir, I think when we see the question, what did the space explorer feel? In answer, she felt. So same as feel in our question. Also, she also mentioned in our question. That's why I think Eve and fear is accurate answer.
exactly. This capture full
Okay.
essence of emotions, and again, you do if once you do a lot of practice, then your brain will automatically able to give accurate answer. But mostly, uh, it if you do practice that, it doesn't means you are uh, uh, you maybe get not maybe not get good score, but in actual test if you select from here to here you also get 70% score, but not 100%.
Exactly.
So if you have to be perfect, then if you want to get higher score, you need to accurate answer, and then it will come from practice. And this one is perfect. The planet atmosphere was too harsh. This one from here, even
Okay.
though even though we didn't add what we say
Comma.
this comma.
Yeah.
This one is also right. This one is also right. Okay. So again, we will do practice next question type. First, we will go to the home. Just, ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, Tayeba Arshad has. Ma'am, are you with us?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
I'm listening.
Okay. First of all, IELTS is acceptable for overall the world and overall the universities. If we talk about especially for Duolingo, Duolingo is limited acceptable for especially for few countries. If we talk about USA and Australia and some other countries, we overall see Duolingo is 70% accepted through the world. And especially we talk about Duolingo. A lot of iCodeGuru students have got fully funded scholarship with the help of Duolingo. And the minimum requirement for Duolingo score is 120, which is equivalent of IELTS 6.5. And the second thing, Duolingo practice are easily available, and their official website also give you a mock test, complete mock test that help you student to practice even easily. And if you are good in English and your grammar is good and your lexical resources are enough, then you can do practice within a week, and you can appear an exam at your home. So, and second thing in Duolingo, you have to pay third of the IELTS exam. Means if you have to pay 60 rupees, 60,000 rupees in Pakistani for IELTS, then and then for Duolingo you have to pay 20,000 rupees. And yeah, these are the main differences in Duolingo and IELTS. And here especially are in if we talk about IELTS, there are 4 modules: listening, and in listening to especially 3 parts. And if we and then I am talking about IELTS, and then we will go with reading. There are also three parts, and then we are writing. There are 2 parts: writing part 1, writing part 2, and then speaking for 40 minutes, 14 minutes. And so this is all about IELTS. But in Duolingo, you have multiple type of questions, and your scores are evaluated through AI. Your speaking and your writing sample last questions, speaking sample and writing sample will be evaluated from humans, and other all the question types will be evaluated by AI. So here you need more what you say perfectionist, means you don't have to make a lot of mistakes. But again, as I mentioned, this is easier one to do. But the thing is that here you have to be very focused about especially for writing and speaking. Once you and the key that suggested most trainers that if you want to increase your score, try to focus on the two things: product score. What include in product score? Your speaking and your writing. So there are almost 15 question types, almost 15 question type in Duolingo, and here are these. First one, read and select. One word will appear. You have to decide right and wrong. Then read and select. You have to fill in the blanks there. Then second, fill in the blanks. You have to 30 seconds. You will be given 30 seconds and you have to fill the blanks. And then listen and type. You have to listen. This question maybe appear 5 to 6 times. You have to listen and you have to write complete sentence. It will observe your listening powers and what you understand from the listening. Then read aloud. You will be given prompt for if we talk about speaking. There are 3 speaking questions. One, read aloud, and then read, then speak, and then write speaking sample, interactive speaking. If we talk about read aloud, once You will be given a prompt or question. You have to read it and talk about 90 seconds, probably 90 seconds, yeah. And then you will be given a picture you have to talk about for uh, maybe 90 seconds. Yeah, 90 seconds. And third one is you have to speaking sample for 3 minutes. Last question, you have to speak, you have to give in the complete question and then you have to completely speak for 3 minutes. And also interactive advancement in this 2025, interactive speaking. These are the total 6 questions you will be given and you have to answer accordingly in 30, maybe, yeah, 30 seconds. And they are continuously changing the question and you have to give answer. And then if we talk about writing, there are 3 or 4, exactly, I'm not, 3 or 4. One is write about the photo, second one is interactive writing, and third one is writing sample, and, yeah, and write the summary. Fourth one of interactive listening summary. You have to write interactive listening summary in 75 seconds. So this is all about writing, and for listening, there's only one question type, listen and type. And if we talk about
Okay.
reading, then there are a couple of question types that include in reading. First one, select right and wrong word, then fill in the blanks, then uh, fill in the blanks, and then complete read the complete passage and select suitable one, and then interactive reading. So, and then, yeah,
Okay,
so
sir.
these are the collectively uh, Duolingo question types. And once you everyone, we suggest to go official Duolingo website to give a complete mock test. Then you will be able to understand what actually Duolingo is requiring. So
Sir,
this
and
is
what are the total marks required?
in Duolingo, the total marks are 160, and
Oh,
we minimum suggest for everyone to get 120 at least. Okay, so this is
oh,
the practice here. You can do practice, especially all question types, and you also do complete practice for 1 hour, and this is how you can do practice for Duolingo.
okay, sir. Is PT also considered for a scholarship? I have done PT before and I got 66 marks in that.
I think there is. I have no idea, especially no idea about PT, but as I know that it is acceptable on Australia as well as USA. So, but again, I think you have to see the minimum requirement of the universities, then you have to decide.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So I hope you have cleared all the questions. If you have any question, you can ask. Otherwise,
No, sir. Thank you so much.
okay.
Sir, is this website are totally free or they
Uh,
want some credit
no,
or
no.
no or
Yeah, Arno, they take credit for question types. Those question types, those are free. Some are question types, those are easy, which are free. Otherwise, if we take right about the photo, there are 3 credentials. You can see here some credits to get instant feedback, 2 credits for interactive writing, 1 credit. So again, you have to use temp mail to change again and again. So this method we apply for free of cost. Otherwise, it is not free of.
okay, I totally got it.
Okay.
Sir, are the
So
full mock tests are also available freely on this website?
yes, ma'am. Duolingo, Arno also give you full mock test, and it will. And one question asks it. I gave this test on completed 16 October 16. But one participant asked how to extend download. You can download extension of Duolingo from here. Then you, if you do practice, your practice will be recorded through Arno, and you will evaluate your response here. Once you do completed your practice, your evaluated response will be here and from official mock test. So once you download this Arno extension, you will see where I am getting uh, lower marks and see your results.
Okay,
And
sir.
from here, you have to just download this extension. And once extension is downloaded, then you have to Google extensions and upload this extension. This is not going to be direct download, upload, install, but you have to upload this extension. And here, if first you have to extract this and then you have to upload it on Google extension Chrome, then you will go to. I have already installed it. If anyone don't know about this, I can guide about, but then we will. Once you have installed, this will be appeared. I hope this is, sir, this is visible. Are no Duolingo visible?
Sir, I have one question.
Then
The whole modules are in the whole modules in the test means if we attempt and test and the modules are coming in step by step, or the all the questions will be shuffled
Randomly.
randomly.
no, ma'am. All the question types will come step by step.
Okay, means you have to attempt firstly one whole module like writing and then reading and then speaking.
No, no. Actually, here is a mix of the writing, but the sequence of the question will be the same. But there is a mixture. What will you do in practice? The same strategies applies in actual exam. Once you do practice from here, and you will know the flow of the question, all question types. Same flow will be in your actual exam.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay. So I hope you all of you got the idea about extension. Then we will do practice for next question type.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday I think sir did fill in the blanks. Okay. Writing sample interactive. I write about photo lesson and speak interactive reading. We are doing interactive reading. So we will also complete two more questions about interactive reading. And I actually selecting here hard questions because easy one are already easy. We have to get hard. Once we comfortable with hard, we will be able to. So this will be solved from both of you. I want to here something. Then you have to give me answer. I will fill the blanks. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Once you complete with reading, then let me know. I will. Um, Can we start now?
Yes, sir, exactly. Sir, I think first visiting the scene. So, as technology advanced, sound and color were dashed into films, transform them into dynamic audiovisual experience. Was inserted. Mixed, I think.
Were cinema had
Uh, throughout the history,
has
cinema has
impacted
broadly dashed people's lives, involving emotions and dash culture. Uh,
impacted impacted people's lives.
sir,
Impacted.
impacted.
Okay.
Yeah. Impacted emotions and
and
uh,
and
distracting, I think. Distracting cultural narrative.
conveying cultural narratives. The
Introduction of digital technology has further dashed the industries.
has further transformed the industry. However, despite these advancements, the essence of advertising remains the same. The advert not only for the artistic value but also for the ability to connect
People dashed
diverse
from
from diverse backgrounds.
today film are admired not only for the artistic value but also for their ability to connect people from diverse backgrounds. In Desh, these festivals provide a platform for filmmakers to showcase their project to a wide audience, leading to wide distribution and deals greater recognition. Uh,
Do it quickly.
Sir, I think
Fourth
last
one,
one.
yes, sir, the fourth one.
What's one? In addition.
So, what has profoundly impacted people's lives throughout history? Impacted people's lives. Okay, in fifth line, cinema has profoundly impacted people's lives,
Evoking
evoking
emotion and
emotion
conveying
and
cultural narratives. Yes, sir.
sir, I think emotions and conveying cultural narratives. I
Evoking.
don't know what is the mean of evoking.
Evoking means
Vegana,
increasing.
Okay, what role film festival play in the film industry? Film festival. Festival. Okay. Edition Film Festival contribute to play a crucial
from
role
diverse backgrounds.
in of new talent and
Promotion of new
sir,
talent and growing the
the
work.
promotion of new talent and groundbreaking work.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the idea that is expressed in the passage.
So maybe the second one is telling the whole about cinema.
Okay.
The evaluation of cinema. Evolution of cinema.
Okay, let's see.
I think the transition from silent film.
Okay. The first one is with silent films first hitting the scene, not visiting the scenes. With silent films first hitting the scene,
Okay. Right.
hitting the scene. Okay. And the second one is incorporated, not mixed. Incorporated
Incorporated.
into films and transforming them into dynamic audiovisual experience. And rest are all correct, impacted people lives profoundly, conveying cultural narratives, transformed technology has further transformed industry, and essence of remains the same, people from diverse background. Amazing. And this one is also right in addition, because if we see here the keywords film festivals, and in the last festival provides a wide filmmakers. Okay.
Yeah, exactly.
And here cinema has profoundly impacted people's lives. First one, the cinema has profoundly impacted people's lives. We pick the last one, result one. What has profoundly impacted people's lives throughout the history? Cinema
Okay, cinema.
has profoundly lives. Okay.
What do film festival continue to play a crucial role in promotion of new talent and ground?
From here, film festival, the film festival work, get art also included,
I
excluded.
think the answer should be accurate and completely meaningful.
Exactly, sir. So that's why sometimes it is easy, but some people feel that reading difficulty. But as in my experience, I feel that it is easy and it is doable. It's not as much difficult.
So what if we select the correct line, but we miss the one or two words from the beginning or from the ending of the sentence? Will it
Then
be wrong or right?
Yes, it will be penalized, and from 100 you will get 70 or 65 score.
Okay, it will not hold considered as wrong answer.
No. Even though suggested that do wrong mistake, the only thing that affected your score is leaving the uh, question without attempting. Any question type, if you leave without attempting, that will be a huge mistake. If you do mistake, it is okay. But if you leave completely any question type, that is not acceptable.
Okay, sir.
Cinema has Walbert. This is also right, and this is also right.
Okay.
So you notice that how this question type can be solved, and if you do practice a lot, and this again, don't skip this question. Once you become familiar with this question type, and especially all these question type, you have to continuously do what you have command and what you don't have in command. So don't think that if this is easier task one, that I have to escape this and focus on other these questions. But once you have to again be consistent. First, easier one that you are confident, then go to the those who are not who are what you are feeling that difficult to get good marks. So then the main things in Duolingo is, as I mentioned earlier, this will be evaluated by AI. So you need to do less grammatical mistakes. That will be helpful a lot. So
And so, what the total marks we get in this question after doing some questions wrongly?
as I mentioned that if your overall speaking and writing is good, I think you will probably get 130. But again, what you actually get in mock test, that will be near about 10 plus point or minus 5 points. If you're getting in practice test, an official practice test, about 140 to 150, you will probably get 145, yeah, for 150. But if you are getting 105 in actual test, and 105 to 115, 110, sometimes 120 hardly, then probably you will get score 105. So it is true, and I have also observed lot of participants who have reached 130 score in a mock test, or 145 or 140 score. From 130 to 140, they are easily getting 125, 120 plus. So this is the key here. Once you able to get here in mock test 130, then you are 130 or 140, then you are good to go, and then you don't need to be worried. If you are below this 130, or you are ranging from 110 to 115, then you have to work hard. Otherwise, this is true that what will give in your mock test actual near about your score will be in actual
Okay,
test.
sir. Okay, sir.
So tomorrow Sir Sajad will continue the next question types. So thank you for joining all today. So Allah Hafiz and take care.
Thank
Okay.
you. Allah
Thank you very
Hafiz.
much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.